Hey, what's going on guys? It's Cal here and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be part of a series I want to start which targets new YouTubers and new Twitch streamers. So we all know how difficult it is to grow a viewership from 0 subscribers. And it's even harder competing with the thousands of new people who started their channels due to the lockdown. And while I can't sit here and break down the algorithm to all of you, I want to give you guys a head start when it comes to the visuals. So in this video, I want to focus on the first thing a new viewer will see before they can even make their way to your channel. I believe that a good thumbnail can be the difference between a new viewer checking out your video and clicking away to another video. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I know that not everyone here can afford to buy Photoshop, so I'll be showing you guys how to make all these designs for free. Just hop onto canva.com, make an account, and get started on a design. So the thumbnail you all saw when clicking on this video clearly worked. So I'll walk you guys through how I made it. So once you're actually on this website and you've made an account and everything, you'll see a button at the top right that says create a design. And from here you can make YouTube channel arts, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, but you want to scroll all the way down here to get to the YouTube thumbnail. So as soon as you get onto this page, you'll see a white canvas and a bunch of tabs on the left. So I've already put in a background here, but the first thing you want to do when you get in here is to go into the backgrounds or elements and pick a background for yourself. Afterwards, we can add text. I like to use these two personally, but there is a lot of text down here that you can scroll through. Just personalize it, figure out something that works for you. But I'm going to be picking Dazzle today. And it comes with this little subtext thing. And I don't really like that, so I can just delete that. Use this. And let's say custom YouTube thumbnails. And if you guys ever have this issue where the letters don't fit, you just got to stretch it out. There we go. And then if you want to shrink it, just down the corner. And yeah, so I'm going to change this to white real quick just because I feel like that stands out more. And something a lot of people do is they have a background for this text. So they send this to the back, something like that. So personally what I like to do is I copy this, Control C, Control V, and you can see that it duplicates it. I just put it on top, change the color to something I like. Let's do this teal color. We can send it backwards so it's behind, and you can push it down a bit and it gives it a bit of a shadow. So now I want to add another line of text that says easy, and I put it right above, make sure it lines up perfectly, and change that to white. And from here we do the same thing that we did earlier. Control C, Control V, change that to the same color. We send this one backwards and you do the same thing. Move it down a bit to give it the nice shadow effect. So because I am talking about Canva this video, I want to add in their logo. So I'm taking this see-through one. I want to just put it in the top right corner. Big enough that you can read, but small enough that it doesn't really get in the way. So most people like to use pictures of themselves, and I don't really have any on me right now. So I'm just going to go to uploads, and I already have one here. Just going to take my logo, scale it up a bit, make sure it's in the middle, and yeah, just put it on the left side just to balance out the composition. So at this point your thumbnail is basically done. All that's left to do is add some flashy stuff at the end if you want. I don't want to drag you guys through the whole process and make the video longer than it should be. So feel free to watch the rest if you want, but I'll just speed up the rest of the process. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next video.